is the elevator at the science building in Southern. We're on 2.
We're on 2.
How would I dissect a frog in 5th grade?
It's just something that you do as a part of your science.
It looks like some screws came loose on the elevator. I found some screws on the ground.
Let me see. Uh-oh. Where'd they come from?
What if they came from in the
Check the phone.
What if they came from the elevator shaft?
Oh no.
It ain't compliant.
4,500 pound capacity.
Okay.
Hydraulic. Okay. Go back to 1 and then back up to 2. Let me get a cab view. We've ridden this one before.
Please, take a picture.
The screws. You're covering up the buttons. Cheese.
Cheese.
We're tired. It's the end of a school day, everybody. Okay.
Look at that other picture of Jesus.
Yeah. Looks like it's maybe Adam and Eve.
Come on. Bye. Push the door closed. Come on.
Okay.
I'm tired. Come on. Close.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Smile. Okay, bye, guys.
See you.